Here's a light controller. It features a bunch of stuff. It'll do your brakes and a backup beeper. You got your left and right turn signals, headlight, park light, and interior light. So let's start like this. So uh, lights are off. The brake light is on, and I'm adjusting one of the signals here. This would be the throttle signal. So we're going to go in reverse. Brake light turns off. The beep starts. Brake light's back on. Ooh, it's past it. There's the brake lights off, so we're going forward. We have turn signals. Now watch them because they kind of ramp up, kind of simulating a tungsten filament type bulb. There's the direction. Notice that when the turn signals aren't on, the lights are off. Now when you turn on the park lights, you're going to see this second LED light up. You'll also notice that the turn signals are constantly on now, and the brake light is glowing dimly. That dim glow is like a park light, obviously, because I said the park light here. We're just going to work the brake lights again. So we're going reverse. Let's brake, and then forward. And the turn signals again. You'll see them work. And this is the interior light here. Thanks for having a look.